Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's rock catcher maintenance video. Today we'll be going over how to service the rock catcher on your Titan unit. Regularly servicing the rock catcher ensures that it will not become plugged with material and limit flow to your sprayer. Please note that although we're showing this procedure with just the Impact X440, the following steps apply to all Titan sprayers with rock catchers. The rock catcher should be removed by hand, unless cured material has frozen it to your siphon tube. If the rock catcher is frozen, you may need to heat it up for removal with a wrench. Once you've removed the rock catcher from your unit, start by inspecting it for any damage. If the part is damaged, a replacement should be ordered through your local Titan dealer. If the rock catcher is dirty but undamaged, clean it with a brush and the appropriate cleaner. Remember to clean not only the sides, but also the very bottom of it to allow fluid flow through the screen. To reinstall your rock catcher after cleaning or replacement, screw it onto the siphon tube hand tight. After installing, make sure to check that the tube is all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching the rock catcher maintenance video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.